I have an announcement. You guys, I'm moving. I am moving in 3 days. I'm so excited.
And just like that, a year and a half has gone by, and I am now ready to show you guys my completed apartment. When I tell you I was so excited to be moving into this place, I can't even describe to you the feeling that I got when I first moved in. This was my first time living alone, and I was so excited to be doing that. I just felt like it was time to go off on my own, do some soul searching, if you will. And I truly feel like a completely different person since I moved in. And I just love the symbolic nature of moving into a new place and starting fresh. So this is what my apartment looked like for the first 5 months, and it was all kind of a blur because I don't even know where I sat most of the time. But I think it just sat on the ground. I had changed out that rug and put that one in my office, and then I found this other one on Facebook Marketplace that I thought went better with this room. I thought the color scheme was really nice because it brought in the black with the black trim, and it kind of just like correlated that way. Yeah, you guys know what I'm saying. And then I also found this coffee table from Facebook Marketplace. I think I got it for $20, so I was very happy about that. And then I finally got a couch. It took me about 5 months to get a couch. I know I was like literally just like sitting on the ground, or I had like other chairs in the room too, but it was very nice to get a couch because I was looking for a very specific couch, and I finally found it for $200, so major slay there, honestly. So here's the before of my living room. I love all the details. I love the fireplace, and here is how I styled it. I did film this all at night because I feel like the vibes are always there at night. So I know usually for apartment tours, people, tell you where everything is, or like leave links or whatever, but I am happy to report I literally thrifted, I would say 95% of my entire house, honestly. So there's not many things that I can link. Something that I really like to focus on when thrifting, well, I feel like I'm always on the lookout for anything and everything that sparks joy and that I enjoy looking at. But something that really tickles my fancy is finding framed art. There's just no other feeling than connecting with a piece of art that is framed already and getting it for $5. Like, if you know, you know. This chest is actually from my landlord. She left it there and said I could either use it or put it down in the basement, and I decided to keep it up there because I really like it. So yeah, that is my living room. The next room that is attached is the dining room, and I love this room so much. I think it's so cute. I love the little windows and the black trim. And when I first moved in, I didn't have a dining room table, but then I looked in my parents' basement and my sister's old dining room table was down there, so she let me use it, which was nice because it fit really nicely in the space. Something about a bowl full of lemons or oranges really does something for me. I love it. So I always try to have random little, not random, but just like little bowls that I get from the thrift store, and I just put my produce in it. It makes it so much more fun. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I'm kind of an artist because I made this art print during a printmaking class in college, and my dad actually made the frame to go along with it. It's a huge art print. I kind of want to get back into printmaking, so let me know if you guys want to see videos about that and like the process. I'm also really good with power tools. I know how to push a button, and I'm also a professional spray painter. I don't know if you guys knew that about me. So I originally found these off of Facebook Marketplace. I think I got all 4 for like $20. It was so cheap. So I love how they turned out, and I think the matte black finish on them really elevated it. And here's a look at all of the art prints that I have in the dining room. A few of them I did purchase online, but I will leave those linked down below. But other than that, these two I actually found in an estate sale, and I was so happy to find these. and I think they work perfectly in this space. So then we venture into the kitchen, and baby Madeline, I love this angel face. Oh, I'm obsessed with my niece, you guys. But anyways, so my sister Hannah also helped me, you know, unpack, which was really nice. But this was filmed like a year and a half ago, and my niece is already turning 2 this month, so that just shows how much time has gone by, which is crazy. But this is currently what the kitchen is looking like. Not much to say about the kitchen, to be honest. There's not much here, but we do like this print and this towel and this cat. We like Pixie. This is where she eats. Okay, moving on. We're gonna turn the corner and go into my office. So I already have a whole office makeover on my channel, so I will leave that linked because I did like a whole, you know, makeover. And I go way more in depth in that video, but this desk, I will say that I made this desk with my dad and I'm so proud of it. I think it turned out amazing. And yeah, I show my process in that video if you guys are interested. So then we walk down the hall, we go into my little bathroom, which is so quaint and cute. And this is actually Pixie's bathroom too. We share it. See, there's her, I was gonna say outhouse. I don't know why that word came to me. What is it called? Litter box. There we go. Okay. And this sign right here is strategically placed just so that Pixie and I know that we are strong as hell every time we're taking a shit. Or really just whenever, when we're taking a shower. You know, it's a constant reminder that we are strong. Then we walk down the hall and we enter the coziest place in the house, my bedroom. This is not my ideal headboard. I've had this for a long time and I'm not a fan. My baby angel face niece, I can't get over anything about her. She's just perfect in every single way. I look at those little eyes. Oh my gosh. I'm not okay. Anyways, what I was saying is my headboard is not my ideal headboard, but I will report that I did find a new one. So I will be touching on that in a future video. But this is my favorite space in the house. Such cozy vibes. Pixie has her own house. It's honestly the cutest cat tower, and I'm just happy that Pixie actually uses it because I was afraid she was just never going to use it when I bought it, but happy to report she loves her little house. I found this shoe rack for literally $2 at a garage sale. For some reason, this lamp has always spoken to me on a spiritual level. Like, I don't know what it is. It just like embodies everything that I love in a lamp. This Van Gogh painting was a major score. I got it for like $10. This little checkered green pillow also does something for me. The headboard, hate it. But other than that, love the room. And that is it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for future videos. I know I never upload, but I'm telling you guys, that is about to change. I'm telling you that right here, right now. And my next video is actually going to be a big announcement, so it kind of has to do with this video. So you guys should definitely stick around, subscribe if you aren't already, and I hope you have an amazing day. Love you. Bye.